Legends of Learning presents the Parchment Room game. This is a history game that makes learning about the Declaration of Independence fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, guided by Thomas Paine's ghost, help draft the Declaration of Independence, expose King George's abuses hidden behind lies, persuade loyalists using arguments from common sense, recover lost words from darkness to complete Jefferson's draft, light the ideas that sparked revolution. In the King's Lies level, the King defends his actions with lies. Read his statement and identify the topic. Is he discussing military, taxes, courts, trade? Click to select the correct grievance category. In the Town Square level, find colonists who oppose independence and light their lamps to persuade them with common sense. In the Words in the Dark level, the committee needs keywords to complete the declaration. Move your mouse to reveal words hidden in darkness. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun!